Now the seventh problem is a circle of area 9 pi square units has two of its diameters along the lines x plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. Find the equation of the circle. So now first we should understand the question clearly. Usually if any question is given means you have to read 2-3 times. You should understand what is given and what is required. The both the things if you find out means our half of the problem will be over. Now the circle of area 9 pi, that is area of the circle is given. What is given? Area of the circle is given, that is 9 pi square units, and the equation of the diameter line is given. The equation of the diameters are given, that is this is one equation and this is another equation. So now the intersection of the diameter will give you the center of the circle. Always you can take like this also, diameters. So always the intersection, point of intersection of the diameter will always give you the center of the circle. So this idea you should have it in your mind while doing this problem. Now given that the area of the circle is 9 pi, what is the formula for area of the circle? Pi r square is equal to 9 pi. Both the side we can cancel pi. So r square is equal to 9. Therefore radius we found out. Then equation of the diameter is x plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. These are the two equations given. So now I want to solve the equation for getting the point of intersection, that is for getting the center of the circle. X plus y is equal to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. So simply if I add means y term will be cancelled. Here 2x is equal to 6, x is equal to 6 by 2, that is x is equal to 3. Now substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 1, I will get x plus y is equal to 5. This is our first equation. So instead of x I can substitute 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Therefore y is equal to 5 minus 3, that is y is equal to 2. Center of the circle is 3, 2. That is the point of intersection. So the x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 2. Therefore the center of the circle I have is 3, 2. Then the equation of the circle having the center at h, k and radius or units will be of the form x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That is instead of h I can substitute 3, instead of k I can substitute 2 is equal to r. R square is 9. That is I can expand using a minus b whole square formula. So x square plus 9 minus 6x. Here if I expand this one, y square plus 4 minus 4y is equal to 9. So both the side 9 can be cancelled. So I will get x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is our required equation of the circle. Then the eighth problem is if y is equal to 2 square root of 2x plus c is a tangent to the circle. That is the line equation is given, that is y is equal to 2 root 2x plus c. So this line is tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 16. Therefore this is a circle equation and this is a line equation which is tangent to this circle, and I want to find out the value of c. Okay, so simply we can find out this answer because we know y is equal to mx plus c is a line which is tangent to the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square is c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. So if this line y is equal to mx plus c, is a tangent to this circle x square plus y square is equal to a square should satisfy the condition that c square is equal to a square into 1 plus m square. Here c square is nothing but the constant term in this line. A is nothing but the radius of the circle. A is nothing but the radius of the circle. M is nothing but the coefficient of x in this line equation. So all the values if you know means you can substitute the answer. But here I want to find out C answer. I want to find out C answer. M is a coefficient of x in the equation, line equation. C square is a constant in the line equation and a square is the radius of the circle. So by the given data I can have m is equal to 2 root 2 since it is a coefficient of x in the line equation. A square is equal to 16, that is radius. C answer only I want to find out. So C. What is the condition I have? Here C square is equal to A square into 1 plus M square. So C square is equal to A square is 16, 1 plus M is nothing but 2 root 2. M square is 2 root 2 whole square. C square is equal to 16 into 1 plus 2 square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. So 4 2s are 8. Then 16 into 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. C square is equal to 144. C is equal to square root of 144. Therefore C is equal to plus or minus 12. So this is the value of C in that line equation. Now the ninth question is, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0 at 2, 2. So for at this point 2, 2, for this circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 6y minus 8 is equal to 0, I want to find out the tangent equation and normal equation. So I know the formula, equation of the tangent at x1, y1 for the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 will be of the form x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So now this g is nothing but the coefficient of x. 2g is nothing but the coefficient of x. 2f is nothing but the coefficient of y. C is a constant number. This x1 and y1 are the given points. These are the 2 points. So from equation 1. So where is this equation? This is a given equation of the circle. So what is the coefficient of x you have? Minus 6. So 2g will be minus 6. 2f will be plus 6. C will be minus 8. Now 2g is equal to minus 6. 2f is equal to plus 6. C is equal to minus 8. So g answer is minus 3. F answer is 3. And C answer is minus 8. So simply I want to substitute in this formula. X into x1 plus y into y1 minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. 2 into x is 2x plus 2y minus 3 into x plus 2 plus 3 into y plus 2 minus 8 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y minus 3 into x is minus 3x. 3 2s are 6 minus 6 plus 3y plus 6 minus 8 is equal to 0. So the plus 6 and minus 6 will be cancelled. 2x minus 3x is minus x. 2y plus 3y is 5y minus 8 is equal to 0. So I can multiply by minus on both sides. So this will be x minus 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. So which is the required tangent equation of the circle at 2, 2. Now I want to find out the normal equation. So normal equation will be of the form x1, y1. At x1, y1 will be yx1 minus xy1 plus g into y minus y1 minus f into x minus x1 is equal to 0. So now we are going to substitute all the values of x1, y1, g, f we get in this equation. So y into 2 minus x into 2 minus 3 into y minus 2 minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 into y is 2y minus 2x minus 3y plus 6. That is I am going to multiply by minus 3. Minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Here I will get minus 2x minus 3x is minus 5x. Here plus 2y plus minus 3y is minus y plus 12 is equal to 0. Again I can multiply by minus sign on both sides. I will get 5x plus y minus 12 is equal to 0, which is our required normal equation.